Hey Mark, take a look at the there's the Watchman Goby there underneath the rock here, and he's breathing rather fast. The video doesn't show it, but the pink spotted is right there. Is that breathing normal, you would say? I mean, this guy has been a trooper. He's been through thick and thin. And the only time I saw him breathe this fast was when we had that crash on the 12-gallon fluval edge. See the pink spotted over there? It's hard to make, but they sometimes are together right next to each other. But I'm a little concerned about the breathing of the Goby there. Today is Thursday, June the 2nd, 2016, and it is 8:53 a.m.